Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm making the water effect again. So what you were seeing was air dry clay that I made texture on it, and it was when dried I put latex on top of it, and now I put a thick layer of latex. Currently what are you are seeing. I will link a video above here in the so you can click and see the process of how I made the mold. So this is latex all dried up. I put the latex again into the mold, and now I will be using the liquid latex again. Reason is that I used a air dry clay, so it is not shiny. So I'm pouring some more latex on top of it so that it gets shiny. I really want a very thin layer. I'm just moving it all around so that it covers all the latex, and then after that I will be pouring the leftover latex back into the bottle. So you all know that I'm working on the resin water effect, and it is I have done a lot of experiments on this, and I'm trying until I get the perfect look for the water. So this is again the experimental process. So I got the mold now, and this time I will be working on this wooden dish. So what I will be doing here is that I will be using some beach sand here. So I will be basically making a ocean scene. So I'm taking this green color, and when I'm happy with the placement of my sand, I will be using this green color and a bit of a turquoise color. So I will be dividing my resin into a tiny cup. So here I have added few drops of that green color. But before that, I will be adding the clear resin on top of the sand. So after adding the clear resin, now I will be adding my green resin. And here I've mixed my turquoise, and on the top it's going. And here I'm adding the leftover resin, and now I will be pouring the clear resin again on the sand area. Making ocean or beach themes are always so fun, and it is so peaceful to make scenes like this. Just making sure that I cover the sand all. And now with the help of heat gun, I'm just mixing up my resin. And after doing that, this is dried over latex, and this is the texture that I got only just by using latex, and there is no silicone involved in making this. Before that, I made silicone molds, little flowers, and they were destroyed and damaged. So this time I made a very big mold. So let's see if I can use this second time. So I'm just seeing that how I have to put this on top of, as the mold is circle and I have a hard dish here. So this is something I'm figuring here. So in the end, I decided to put it, and let's see how this will turn out. So I wanted to put, as this was not holding the shape, I put a little bit of weight on it. But then this crystal was really heavy and my resin was oozing out from the side. So I want to put something light. I don't want a very heavy weight on top of it. So I replaced it with a lightweight stone. And after that, I add a little bit of shells on the edge of the heart. And then after that, I left it to cure and was super excited to see how this turns out. So let's see. Next day. So this is the next day and super excited. So here I'm just showing you I'm just removing the stones, and then I'm going to remove the latex, and fingers crossed that it might not rip. Last time my latex molds were ripped off. So I'm just showing you the shells that I put. So here we go, and now I'm going to remove the latex. So I was thinking that this is going to be ripped as it was not coming off, but later on I tried and it came off. So gently I was removing the latex. And here we go. I got the effect. I was really happy about that, but don't worry. I know at the moment it is a bit dull, although I use the shiny latex to get the shiny look, but still it is not that shiny. So, but currently how it is looking like. So I've mixed my resin here, and now I'm going to do a sort of top coat to bring out the shiny effect of the resin. So I'm going to use my hands to rub the resin on the texture and making sure that it goes into all the nooks and crannies. So it's all done now, and I will leave this to dry, and I will see you next day. So I'm just showing you at the moment, this is not dried yet, but I'm showing you the shiny look that I was going for. So here we go, and this is the final look, and I am really happy what I was looking for. I got the effect here, actually really close to it, and I am actually going for that ripple effect that you see in the ocean beneath the sand. But I think so 95% happy with this effect here, and I think this is looking lovely. So please do let me know in comments what you think about it. And also if you don't know what how I made the effect or the mold here, I will link the video in the description also and above, so that you can see that how I made the mold, the texture in the air dry clay. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.